Today I'm going to talk about Zen cuisine. Zen cuisine is primarily served in monasteries, and the basic theme of the Zen cuisine is live to eat rather than eat to live. In the Zen monastery, this fundamental activity of eating is considered necessary for the proper functioning of the mind and body, but never something to live for. Meal is cooked by monks holding the important post of Tenzo, whose task is to serve the meal which will enable everyone to practice Zen with least hindrance with their body and mind. The daily menu does not vary greatly, but ideally each menu is appropriate to the need and the occasion. It is just enough to satisfy the palate and the soul. As ancient religions recognized that there must be offered a harmony of the six basic flavors, that is, bitter, sour, sweet, salty, light, and hot. And moreover, the three qualities of light and flexible, clean and neat, and consciousness and thorough. The ingredient with strong odors such as garlic and onions are forbidden. The monks in training have 2 meals a day. In the morning, the meal consists of a bowl of rice gruel, a salted plum, and pickled radishes. During the midday, the meal consists of a bowl of barley rice, soup, perhaps a simply cooked vegetable, and pickled radishes. In the evening, the light meal consists of the leftovers from the morning and the midday meals. All the meals are preceded and followed by verses expressing the gratitude. One such verse recited daily translated into English as: first, let us reflect on our own work. Let us see whence this comes. Second, let us reflect how imperfect our virtue is, whether we deserve this offering. Third, what is most essential is to hold our mind in control and be detached from the various faults, greeds, etc. Fourth, that this is taken as medicinal is to keep our bodies in good health. Fifth, in order to accomplish the task of enlightenment, we accept this food. This is how the monks express the attitude of gratitude. Each monk has his own set of eating bowls and chopsticks, which he takes care of himself. After the meal, hot water is poured into one of the bowls, and this is used to rinse the bowls clean. Finally, not to waste a particle of a food, the various lives that were sacrificed, and the time and energy extended to make the meal, the monk drinks down the water. So profound. For the special celebration, the Zento will prepare the special feast, which is prepared by professional chefs in many temples. The various dishes served in monastery are strictly vegetarian. Cooking broths are made from sea scalp, mushrooms, dried ground. In addition to rice and pickles, the meal includes soup made of specially prepared soya beans, sesame tofu, and 3 other delicately prepared dishes. I have referred the information about Zen cuisine at Tenryu temple in Kyoto, Japan. Thank you for your time and listening to this video.